What if Vicky, who is Vuyokazi's friend, just told him Mpumelelo? I don't think Musamsaleka will agree to this one. Even Mpumelelo Mseleku was so disappointed. So anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the rules of the house. Samani Pins of Sele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. So we all know that this is September season 2 episode 11 of Vicky. She has just arrived to the group chat. So there's something that Uviki, who is a Vuyokazi's friend, mentioned to Mpumelelo that you could tell if face Mpumelelo was very disappointed. Maybe he was not aware of that situation when he made the decision of breaking up with Vuyokazi. So this Vicky mentioned that, do you know that your kids, they're going to be raised by another man? So Mpumelelo was like, Aibo, who's an solo? I mean, this person come with this such of a mindset. So anyway, guys, we all know that Musam Seleko does not like this idea that her kids are being raised by other men. You know what, he rather being a failure on other side, but when it comes to raising his kids, he makes sure that he will do everything to protect his kids. You can see that Umpilo, he's raised by Makumalo, Usne was raised by Matele. So it shows that one thing about Musam Seleka, he will protect his own kids. We have seen that also firstborn Yaga Vuyokazi, she's raised by Mayeni, who is Musam Seleko's second wife, as well as being this mother. So one thing about Musam Seleko, he does not play, especially those one that are using his sign name. We all know that. So people are even saying that you don't care about Snake's kids, but you all know that yes, Usne, she's a daughter, Uspindi, it's a son. To some people it does not make sense, but it comes to the culture, it does make sense. So right now we are not sure about the Vuyokazi's future when it comes to Mpumelelo, because they've really separated. Maybe Vuyokazi's kids will be raised by Mayene, or maybe whenever she will get married, she will take care of her kids. We don't know about the future, but Samsaleko might not allow that. Seeing her grandchildren being raised by another man. He always want them to be in the same roof. So we don't know about the future. Maybe Vicky knows something that Vuyokazi told her, that, you know what, if I get married, I'm gonna live with my kids, because these people are two best friends. We don't know what they say behind the scene. Maybe she's saying something on the screen that we are not sure what is going on. Maybe Vuyokazi already made a decision that, you know what, my friend, this is what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. Obviously we all know that is alleged dating the chef, where they came forward to say obviously he did celebrate Vuyokazi's birthday like nobody's business. Even Mpumelelo has never done what the chef did to Vuyokazi. You can tell that the guy went all to make sure that Vuyokazi, she is a happy human being. So at the end of the day, we don't know what's going to happen to the future, but I think she did raise a valid point. But at the end of the day, it's all about to a point that we all know that even Tirelo went on to talk to Sibindi to say that yes, I do understand you guys separated, but when it comes to your kids, you need to make sure that you guys you know what, come together and talk to sort out the situation for the sake of one, for the sake of Vana, Vuyokazi and Sibindi. So yes, guys, I don't know the future, but Musam Saleko might not like this. Probably Musam Saleko will say, hi guys, you need to sit down and stop doing what it is, because Musam Saleko did mention, but at the end of the day, Vuyokazi uzoba la emzini wakamsaleko. I don't know right now what Musam Saleko is saying, but anyway, guys, tell me a conversation. What do you think? Do you think that Vuyokazi might say, maybe Mpumelelo might consider like, unless we need to fix things, because I don't want my kids to be raised by another man? Because you can see on the direct session, he was so very disappointed. Maybe he was not aware of this situation whenever he separated with Vuyokazi. And Vuyokazi is trying to remind her that, yay, Kesana, if you break up with Vuyokazi, if you made it official, just think of this thing, the future, 10 years to come. Anyway, guys, send me a conversation. What do you think? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.